Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to bring us along as I work on this custom request that I got. So the baby shower is going to be cowboy theme. The colors are baby blue, brown, tan, and white. So right now I'm just going to cut everything out. So the images, I'm using the little cowboy with the horse and then these baby cowboy boots for the pacifier. And then for the rattles, I'm going to keep it all with the cowboy image. And yeah. Okay, so let's set everything up so we can start cutting. We're gonna start with the rattles, and I was thinking so the brown background for both pacifiers and the rattles, but like I told you, I'm only gonna do the cowboy for the rattles, and I think brown for the bow, and then I have white or blue. I don't know, let's see. No. Okay, so I'm thinking something like that. Yeah, I like that better. So the blue rhinestone. Okay, let me start gluing. Okay, so now I'm gonna start working on the pacifiers, and this one, like I told you, I'm mixing the cowboy boots with the cowboy. So this combination. The only thing is I'm trying to figure out if I should do blue with white or blue on blue. And then I'll use the same bow. I think no rhinestone for this one, so like that. And like that. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna keep the blue one, huh? I like this combination better. Okay, let's just do this one. Okay. There are the pacifiers, and like I told you, I don't think it needs the rhinestone. I think it's too much blue if I add it, to be honest with you. the pacifiers that want to stand out. And then I don't like the white silver and how it looks on here, or no. Okay, so we'll just keep them like that. Okay, let me get all of these made. So I'm pretty much done with this request. I'm gonna take pictures, pack everything up, and by the time I post this video, everything should be up on the store. In case you're interested, I'll link my store down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.